Let's practice now pivots. And pivots, when we walk, become 8. I am focusing into that direction. Even my legs are zigzagging. I focus that direction. But my hip, to make my legs go in zigzag, turns one direction, then the other. My torso remains always facing forward. I try to keep my foot always close to the floor. It gives me good stability, going backward, or going forward. Try to keep the same height.
Aunque no tuve colegio, a nadie supe faltar.
Same idea that Miranda mentioned, keep yourself long in the torso.
Es que evocando el pasado se me dio por festejar.
And we can change the speed, we can change the pace, the rhythm. This is in order to prevent that this exercise make your movement mechanical. We repeat to train. But you can include a small difference. For example, how you interpret the music.
Soledad, la de barracas que me trajo soledad. La cosa fue por barracas, la llamaban soledad. No hubo muchacha más guapa, soledad, la de barracas, que me trajo soledad.
One detail. So when we do this exercise, we are moving forwards and backwards with the ochos. So try to keep an intensity the whole time. So I do my pivot, my step, the next pivot, the next step. So I keep an intensity all the time. It's not like I make a pivot and then I'm kind of done. And then I take a step. And then I'm done with my thing. I want to keep that, I want to keep dancing the whole way through the exercise.
Yes, that will prepare you for the real thing, for the real dance. You will be very prepared for that. Good.